Good day everyone. So in this video, I'm going to share you the cool command that you can try to create the picture or fix the picture using this chatgpt.com. And even you don't even really need to use the very long and also detailed prompt, but you can just use this command. But the first step that you need to do here, you can activate this create image first, and the second one is you can put your command that is the upscale, particularly if you would like to upscale the picture from the blurry one to be more crystal clear. So I'm going to upload the image first, and for example I'm gonna select this one. Previously this picture is not really clear, and you're gonna see like the pixel is quite big and also blurry. So I asked this ChatGPT by using this command to upscale the attached picture. For example like this, and then you can simply click this send prompt and kindly wait for the result down here. And then after waiting for a while, here's gonna be the final look, guys. It looks better, and if you like it, then you can simply download it. So that's how you use this command, that is the upscale, to make the blurry picture to be more clear. I hope this video finds you helpful. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.